So a lot of people ask me, what's a great summer drink? I know it's end of summer or summer's actually over, but this is a great afternoon drink or lunch drink. It's not too strong, not too sweet. It's got a little bit of bitterness, but we really like it because it's nice and refreshing. So the way to do it, it's very simple ingredients, nothing too complicated. You use carbonated water, soda water. We actually like to do carbonate our own water instead of buying store-bought. We just use this beautiful Aarke carbonator. So you fill up the water to the line right there. You screw it in. The nozzle is actually in the water now, and all you do is push this, and you can see we have carbonated water, fresh carbonated water. You can add your own flavors to it, obviously, if you want to just drink water, but we like to make our drinks with it. So we take it out, there's that. And it's very simple. You put about 1 ounce in a nice wine glass of carbonated water, like that. Then you use an aperol right here. It's a little bit of bitterness and it's beautiful color, so about 3 ounces. Of course, you can measure if you wanted to, or just pour it, So we're gonna put about 3 ounces or so of this. You can use Campari as well, but we love this aperol, it's our favorite. And then you use wine, a Prosecco, really anything if you want to get creative. But we drank this white wine yesterday for lunch, so we still have some left over because we switched, of course, to red wine. And then we add that. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? And then what we do is we finish it with a garnish. We get this beautiful and tasty blood orange. We'll slice it thin. We like to use our Hazaki knife. Super sharp. Look at that. There's our blood orange. Put that in, like that. And finally, we garnish it and stir it with a little bit of rosemary. So we mix everything in, and there it is. Beautiful lunch cocktail.